Now moving on to what the automotive world has seen recently. So how the automotive world works is that providers of components to companies like Delco and General Motors and companies that incorporate electronics into their vehicles or into products that go into vehicles, they must submit the information to a data system called IMDS, International Material Declaration System. And what that is it's a system where all the automotive companies can upload and share information on the components they're using. Now, on this system, there was something called RECO 19, which was a procedure that allowed a previously validated data set to be used without having to upload your own data. So this allowed component manufacturers to simply select, I'm loading this kind of components, and then use previously loaded validated data. The problem with that is it was found later that some of the suppliers were not executing their due diligence, and there was, as a result of this RECO 19, there were gaps in the current data sets in the system. And so back last year in 2019, the IMDS committee voted to retire RECO 19. So the ability to now load some minimal data set instead of full data is no longer there. No one knows exactly if they're going to implement some kind of replacement to this yet. What I understand, there's no progress on that. In the meantime, basically what's required is a full material declaration, and if there's proprietary substances, then GADSL. So in the end, I'm not quite sure what's going to happen in the end of this, but we can expect some type of elevated requirement beyond what was happening in RECO 19, probably something in the form of FMD plus GADSL. So producers in the product auto world are going to rely on component suppliers to fill this gap. So if you're not able to fill this gap now, then you need to be able to do that soon.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.